Welcome to Evan's World. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing my... Hi, and this is Calvin. Go subscribe to this channel. This Car Buddy inflatable, it's the Grinch. It's 3 feet tall, and...
You've probably seen Evan having an early birthday present.
Yep.
Last night. I was there, but I wasn't in the video. So I'll probably just be in the background. Maybe I'll come say hello once in a while.
And I've already opened this guy, but I failed the video, so I have to redo it. So let's pretend I haven't opened it yet. And now, apparently, the box came this way. It has a hole there, but I tried it, and it does turn on. And here
For the car.
is the car adapter. And the extender is pretty long, so you could put this anywhere, and he's pretty small. But he's got this thing, so where the seatbelt holder can go on. Now, I'm going to get the car ready.
Oh, the camera.
Right now,
Hold
so
it.
get ready right now, and you have to click that button.
Yeah, I don't know how to use the camera.
Where's the Car Buddy is in, and I'm going to plug them into the cigarette lighter. I'm going to show you where it is in this car.
Hi, everyone.
Yep, and alright, got cigarette lighter here. It's kind of a weird name, but it goes in right in here. It's hard to do with one hand. Yeah, you hold the camera while I do it.
Hi.
We're actually going to. And now it's turning on. Now I can hold the camera again. Now you can see he's turning on. Just have to fix them. Here's the Grinch. Strap is for right here. Yep, there's the strap, and that goes around the headrest, so he doesn't fly. And you also put the seatbelt on him. It's a nice thing to do. Just do it like a regular person would do, so it looks like it's a real person. And you can see how cool he looks. He's right here.
Smells like an inflatable.
Yep, and here. There. And you can see it just goes into that cigarette lighter there. And you can see how, and there's the fan right there. It's not really that inflated, but just gotta fix his hands.
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah. And his hat almost touches that. But he's pretty cool. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the review of the Grinch inflatable. I'm back for the next video. Remember, subscribe,
Hit the notification
bell, and
give me a big
thumbs
thumbs
up.
up.
Bye. So he's gonna stay in this back seat in the middle seat since we don't use it for. So we're gonna keep him there for the whole Christmas. And if we want to do this thing, basically you're gonna have to twist it easily and just keep twisting or do it. Sure, I'll get it. And you can twist like made look weird, so my apologies for that. Then it should come off, and this is a pretty long extender, and here's the extender right here. So I'm gonna secure him and see what he looks like. The cardboard looks like all strapped in at the back. This is what he's gonna stay like for Christmas time. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching.